Looks like it goes on, doesn't it? Oh, there's a bat coming. Bruce Wayne confirmed. Hey dudes, we're just dropping in on a rope. This is the latest video. I'll be tempted to go shoes and socks off and try it. Yeah, I can get across here.
It's seriously deep down to the right there. It looks like about 20 or 30 feet.
Oh, I can see daylight.
Yeah, we can't find it.
Ah, okay, the gap is bigger than we thought. Oh wow, it actually goes off into a tunnel by the looks of it. No, it's about a foot deep. It's, well, 1.5 foot deep at the start and then it goes shallower. Oh, it actually goes off left and right here. Wow. We're gonna do it. It drops again really deep here. It looks like there's some kind of like underground cave sort of place. Alright, I'll go and see if I can check out these two other little tunnels here. But it gets a bit deep. I might be off the radio for a minute. Okay, to the right, coming back to you is a dead end. Off to the left, yeah, also a dead end. They must have been exploratory ones. Yeah, dead ends. Wow, well, fine. Do you want to risk the walking the plank almost, isn't it? The outer edge. Once you get up here, you can actually see that way out. Yeah, it's not. Once you've done it, it's not too bad at all. It's. I think it's just the risk. You feel like it's all going to slide away, isn't it? It's an old bottle, old glass one. Tablespoon, it says on the side. Whoa, that is frickin' deep. Wow, yeah, that goes down a pretty far way actually. Yeah, that's where that goes in. That's the tunnel bit where it comes out.
Right.
Ah, it looks like you might be able to access that through that one. And then up. Yeah, do you want to run and have a look, see if you can get out? And then I'll wait here. Alright, just take your time, yeah. Very, very deep. That's about 40 or 50 feet down that water. Come all the way from over there. Climb down on ropes. Got to climb across this next. That goes down out of the way. Christ, yeah. Oh, that must lead into the underwater.
We'd reached the end of this mini adventure. Now it's time to head back.
Yeah, it's got to climb back up and see daylight again.
On the next Street Sips adventure.
Here as well. And you see like the map.